everybody, my name is Tina, and today I will be unboxing the Ipsy Sticker Club subscription. This is the fall subscription, so it's going to come with October, November, and December stickers. And it always comes with a couple of freebies. So this time I actually didn't get any spoilers, because usually on a Facebook group somebody will show a picture of all the stickers. You cannot get this subscription now. They already took it off the site. It will be back, I believe, at the beginning of November for the winter subscription, which will ship in December. December or January, I can't remember. I think it's December. It will have January through March's stickers. Okay, so we got a little card here. It says 6 exclusive functional sticker sheets, 2 exclusive Flora sticker sheets, and 1 exclusive Flora penny, I don't know how to say that, embroidery sticker. Blech, can't say it. Okay. So first I'm going to show the regular monthly stickers, and then I'll show you the freebies. So here's October's. Usually they did it really different this time, which I kind of like because it's more functional. Because usually you'll get 2 sheets for each month, and 1 will be a big old deco sheet, and then 1 will be a functional sheet. But they did it totally different this time. And I'm liking it so far because we have dates, we have date dots, we have full boxes, we have meetings, we have some flags, we even have the month to go with it. And then the second sheet, some more full boxes, some little like washi tape stickers. We have some reading lists, some mood trackers, some little boxes, some checklists, and some washi. That's kind of cool. The only thing about the sticker subscription is when they give you the washi, they never give you 2 washis, because you need for each side of the page. I don't know why they do that. That's the only thing. If it had like 2 of the same washis, I'd be totally happy about this kit. That's the only issue. And October comes in silver, and November comes in gold. And that's another thing about the sticker subscription. Because you get 3 months, 1 is always going to come in silver, 1 is going to come in gold, and 1's going to come in rose gold. And it differs. It's not always silver, gold, rose gold. So November comes in gold, and gold is my favorite foil. You know, regular foil. Like I like other foils, but my go-to is gold. So again, the same sticker sheets. I love that. And then here's December's, which, like I said, is going to be in rose gold. I'm sorry if my table is wobbly. It's an old table. I want to change up my filming setup. I don't know when I'll be able to do that, but okay. So on to the freebies. Okay, so this is the first freebie, which is in the Flora pink, I believe, or purple. I'm not too sure. And they're like puffy stickers. I don't know if you can tell. I don't want to take it out. But they're like a material like, not leather, but it's probably like faux leather material. I don't know if you can tell that or not. But we have those, and then we have them in this peachy color. Those are kind of cute. I don't know if I'll use these though. That's the only thing with the freebies. Some of the freebies I would not use. And the last freebie, I think you always get 3 freebies. The last freebie is an embroidery sticker, like they said. Now this is cute. I might actually put this on my agenda. Maybe. We'll see. But this is cute. I might use that one though. But that's everything I got in my Erin Condren Sticker Club subscription. So how do you like it? Like I said, in November, it should go up again for the winter one. And I'm just giving you a heads up. Somebody in a Facebook group noticed this. I didn't notice this until they said something. But you used to be able to do it annually and pay like $56 and you'd have the whole year and not worry about it. They're not doing that anymore. Now you have to pay it quarterly. So that's the only flaw, because I keep forgetting like when it's due. Like it doesn't give you an email saying, oh, okay, we're going to charge you on the 15th. So you have to remember when it's going to charge you, or around the time it's going to charge you. Because they only give you, like, one time they gave me less than 24 hours to update my card. And I didn't see the email, so I wasn't able to get it. But luckily, I was able to purchase it after it shipped out by somebody that didn't want them. So, there's that. Okay, I'll see you next time.